In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to combine shapes in Adobe Illustrator using the Pathfinder Unite tool. This is one of the most important basic skills in Illustrator, and once you understand it, you'll be able to create logos, icons, custom illustrations, and clean vector graphics much more efficiently. If you're new to Illustrator or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything in a simple way. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. It doesn't matter what size you choose for this demonstration. Now, we need some shapes to combine. Go over to the left toolbar and select the rectangle tool. Click and drag on your artboard to create a rectangle. Next, select the ellipse tool from the same toolbar and draw a circle that overlaps part of the rectangle. The key here is that your shapes must overlap if you want to merge them into a single unified shape. Now that you have two overlapping objects, switch to the Selection tool. You can do this quickly by pressing V on your keyboard. With the Selection tool active, click and drag over both shapes to select them at the same time. You'll know they're selected because you'll see anchor points and bounding boxes around both objects. Once both shapes are selected, go to the top menu and click on Window if your Pathfinder panel is not already visible. From the drop-down, choose Pathfinder. This will open the Pathfinder panel, which contains several shape modes that allow you to combine, subtract, intersect, and divide objects. Inside the Pathfinder panel, look at the top row under Shape Modes. The first button is called Unite. This is the option we'll use to merge shapes together. With both shapes still selected, click the Unite button. Immediately, you'll see that your overlapping rectangle and circle are now combined into one single shape. Instead of two separate objects, Illustrator has merged them into a unified vector path. If you click on the new shape and move it around, you'll notice it behaves as one object instead of two. This is extremely useful when creating logos or custom illustrations because it allows you to build complex designs from simple shapes. You can repeat this process with more than two shapes as well. Just make sure all the objects you want to combine are overlapping and selected before clicking Unite. Here's a quick bonus tip. If your shapes don't merge the way you expect, double-check that they are not grouped in a strange way or locked. Also make sure you're using the Selection tool and not the Direct Selection tool. The Direct Selection tool selects individual anchor points, while the Selection tool selects entire objects, which is what you need for Pathfinder operations. Another helpful tip is to expand your shape if needed. In most cases, clicking Unite automatically creates a compound shape, but if you ever run into issues with appearance or effects, you can go to Object and choose Expand to finalize the merged path. And that's it. That's how you combine shapes in Illustrator using overlapping objects, the Selection tool, and the Pathfinder Unite button. It's a simple process, but it's a foundational technique that you'll use constantly in your design workflow. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and step-by-step design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.